Buongiorno ragazzi, welcome to another travel vlog. In this video we are headed to one of my dream destinations, Cinque Terre. I'm starting off the vlog here at La Spezia. This is where we're staying, our Airbnb here. So we're walking towards the train station. The train station is only like a couple blocks away. We're gonna take the train from La Spezia to Cinque Terre. So our Airbnb is right over there, just a block away. And we parked our car right down there. And then the train station is just right around the corner there. And it's already super busy. And it's super early right now. Well, actually not super early. It's almost 10 o'clock, 9:45. Super early, guys. But look at the amount of people here at the train station. Wow. The line just to get the ticket, it's crazy. This is the line just to get a ticket. While they're waiting to get their train ticket, I'm having some coffee. Check it out. Of course, Italian coffee first, right? All right, we got our train ticket. We're about to hop on this train to Cinque Terre. Wow, that's crazy. It cost 32 bucks for this ticket.
I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't.
Alright guys, so we just got off the train here. This is the name of the station, Monterosso, here in Cinque Terre. Wow, the amount of crowd here is insane. But then again, I was expecting this because this is a super famous tourist destination. Make sure you bring your hiking shoes up here, guys. There's lots of walking up the hill, but the view is unreal. See the train over there? Wow, insane. What was the name of the next place we're going to?
I'm not sure either.
What?
I'm not sure either.
So from Monterosso to Vernazza, it's only about 2-minute train ride. So we're gonna get off the train now and check out this next spot. So we're now here at our next destination, Vernazza. Super crowded. You have to brave the crowd if you want to come here, guys. That's the station up there. And then you go walk down and you're there. The super local. So this is the church. We're gonna check out their church, see what it looks like. So this is what the church looks like here in Cinque Terre. We're checking out this Italian bakery. We'll see what they have. Oh, cannolo. So we're getting some cannolo. Well, in American, it's cannoli. Look what we got. I think we got 4 cannolis over there. And a slice of pizza. And we're gonna sit here.
Daddy, let's get tango. I think that.
How is it? Is it buzz? Round 2. Okay, so I've been to Italy before, but I never get to try this. Last time I was in Italy, so I'm finally trying this today. The legit Italian cannoli, or cannolo. We're finished here at our second stop. We're now gonna go to our third stop. We're gonna go to a total of 4 stops, so let's go. By the way, the name of the train is Trenitalia. So we're waiting for a train now to get to our third destination. It's really windy here, so hopefully you can hear me. Really, really crowded here, guys. But luckily, it's still not that hot. It's really, really breezy. So it's not like in the middle of summer. So it's perfect time to come here, like mid-June, end of June. So we've been waiting for like 15 minutes now. This is the crowd here waiting for the train to get to our next destination. So this is our third stop. So if you come to Cinque Terre, there are 5 small little towns you can visit, and we're only doing 4 of them. And this is the third one that we're stopping by. And the name of the stop, it's called Manarola. My God, guys, check out the amount of crowd here. Insane. We got this lemon slush. We got this in Positano last time. It was really, really good. Let's see if it's good. Just like how I remembered. Perfecto. Here you go, Dong. Done. The bomb. Okay guys, we're done here. This is our third stop. We're gonna go to our 4th stop soon. That's the last. We're saving it. Guys, this is our last stop, Riomaggiore. Guys, they have lechon belly.
Com cabelos cor de mel singela, seu nome é Mabel, esquece a sandália e se olha pro céu. Se pudesse organizava a estrela. Se a casa.
Out of all the 4 stops we did today, this is my favorite. Check it out. So we're gonna go back now. We're leaving. We're gonna go check out one more place, I think. I think we're gonna go to Pisa. So as soon as you walk up the stairs from there, there's actually a Michelin restaurant here. It's called Rio Bistro. So we're currently waiting in line. We're going back to our station. Can you see that? La Spezia. That's where we're staying also tonight, and that's where we stayed last night as well. Super crowded here. The last time we were here was like during COVID, so it was, well, not really empty. I actually vlogged it too. I'm gonna put the link down below. Look at all these people here, guys. So everyone's doing the leaning post. So we're getting gelato here, just right outside, right in front of the leaning tower out there. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. That's it for today's video. That was my first impressions of Cinque Terre. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm outie. Deuces.